Hello, on today's episode I want to show you installing torque converter, but I'm stuck. The torque converter is almost to the end of the engine and I'm out of a crankshaft. It should be a little bit more for this part, but there's nothing left. Do you have any advice? I will leave this today, and I want to assemble the side quest. This is a 52 stroke from this card originally, but now it will be with variable ignition. So this all is used parts, almost everything. This is new and this is new. Cylinder is a little bit out of honing. And I think the crankshaft is not so straight, but this is testing purposes only, so whatever. I don't remember how it was. I think like this, and the arrow should be pointing exhaust. So if the cylinder is like this, inside the casing, okay, let's try this way. In 2 strokes we have only 2 rings, and those rings have notches, as you see, for not rotating to the exhaust side, which is here. I have to tighten this with other tool, 10 of a millimeter I think.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
So this is advancing, this is retarding. ignition angle, and this is this aluminium piece is welded into the case here with plastic insert. I don't know.